Hello everyone, this is my second attempt to record my first video of a devlog of the game JGTD, which I'm solo developing for last few months. The first attempt, I forgot to push the little button to record my voice. So today I was working on the animations of one of my towers. So this is Voltage Vortex Vahida. She's an IT specialist. She emits some waves of EMP to deactivate the device of the enemies, which are irregular people just caught in the everyday hustle and grind, to snap them out of it. So I'm going to state the problem and then the solution real quick. So each of my towers have five different versions that you start with the first one and then upgrade as you go. So the first version of tower has this setup, and then like the last version has this setup, and then the height of this table is different. So I need to have different animations when this guy is active, depending on which of these versions are being used in the game. What I did for this skeletal mesh, I have a animation blueprint, and here in the animation blueprint, I have a data table that stores all the information about all the towers, and there's a row there's a variable actually, which is the version index, which can be from 0 to 4 for one for each of the versions of the tower. And then I call this, and then I store this in the animation blueprint as a variable. And then when I'm calling the animations, I use this node here, blend pose by int, which is an integer, which is the version index we saved here from the data table. And then it's going to choose which animations is going to get used based on the version index. And then here I have the active status. If it's active, it's true. Active, true. It's going to use these ones, and if it's not, it's going to use idle. So let's see it in action. So if I hit play, I choose Voltage Vortex Vahida and I place it here. You see that it's right now it's not active, so it's just doing that idle animation. And when I hit play, it's gonna play this one. And if I upgrade it to the third one, which has the lower desk height, it's gonna use the other animation. So I have the same thing set up for another tower of mine, which is the Groove Move Gary. Maybe it was better to start with this. It's a little more obvious here because this one only have two animations, typing standing high and typing standing low, and it just used the first one for the first two versions and the second one for the last three versions. But for this guy, I have five different animations. Let me show you here. So if I hit play, I place the movie Gary here and hit play. This is the first version of the tower. It's kind of white or gray, and you see that he's dancing. But if I upgrade, you see that dancing is different. I hit another upgrade, you see it's different. Oh, okay. I have to retry because every lots of enemies cross the end goal here. And by the way, this UI is just a placeholder. I'm going to change it. So if I hit reply, if I change it to, let's say I see this one, let's say this one, you see that it plays different animation. information for this. I hope that this was useful for someone. uh, if you have any question, put it in the comments or contact me via the links I provided in my YouTube channel and in the description. Thank you.